quick outfit of the day. I'm going out tonight on a date with somebody who is 6 feet tall. So pray for me that he is in fact 6 feet tall. I hope my outfit's super basic because honestly, I did not want to go out tonight. I just wanted to stay home and watch Housewives, but I'm doing this new mantra where it's follow the plan, not your emotion, follow the plans, not your emotions, because I do everything based on emotion. So here I am, just like a businesswoman going to a business meeting. Somebody asked me if dating is fun for me, and I'm like, no, dating is not fun at all. This is the bag I'll be using because my outfit is boring. I was just gonna do the blazer without anything, but I thought that's a little too scandalous. Yes, I know my outfit is very business, but I feel like when you're trying to find a baby daddy, you technically are going for a business meeting. So here we go.